Tired of guessing if that Amazon product is actually a gold mine? Let's dive deep and compare Keepa and Selleramp to powerhouses that promise to unlock product sourcing secrets. First up, data accuracy. Keepa is known for its extensive historical pricing data, tracking millions of products over time. See how this chart reveals long-term trends. Selleramp, on the other hand, emphasizes real-time insights and profitability analysis. It grabs data from various sources to provide a clear snapshot of a product's potential right now. Keepa's color-coded charts can seem intimidating at first, but once you learn the key, you can see the whole history. This is where you track the price and sales rank. Notice the dips and spikes. Selleramp keeps things simple with its streamlined interface. It calculates the estimated monthly sales and the return on investment ROI, which is critical information for knowing if it is worth investing in it. Now, let's talk dollars and cents. Keepa offers various subscription options. Some are free, but for advanced features, you'll need a paid plan. Selleramp is purely subscription-based, offering all features within its plans. Think about the features you need. It's about finding the best value based on your selling needs. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your personal style and strategy. Keepa is great for long-term trend analysis, while Selleramp excels in immediate profitability assessments. Do your research, take advantage of their trials, and choose wisely. Happy sourcing!